Hi everybody, and welcome back to Hooves and Hearts with Jesus YouTube channel. Praise our new welcome. So today we have some exciting news. We are going to be picking up a Spartan Zero Tone. I have a little bit of a cold, but let's get straight into this vlog, and I am super pumped for this. See you guys on the road. Filling up on diesel, baby.
11, go ahead, you're authorized. Please stay inside when you get done fueling.
We are filling up on gas, guys. It's taking us a long minute. We're gonna go load the tractor up. Okay, guys, we got it loaded. Hi everybody, and welcome back to this vlog. I've got a lawnmower sitting behind me, and this is about 6 days later from when we got this lawnmower. Today is Friday. When we got it was Saturday, so it's going on 7. Now, today we're actually gonna mow for the first time. I think it's like April 11th or 12th, so it's like kind of early, but we want to get this baby out and see how she runs. So, but before we get mowing, I'm just going to like go over some stuff. So let's take it out into the light and get this puppy started. So guys, my friend came for 4 days, and we filmed a prank video, which is coming out next Sunday. And my friend left yesterday, and I'm really sad because we had a lot of fun. Okay, so to start this, you have to have, sorry, I have a little bit of a cold, but you have to have the parking brake in, these things in neutral, and then choke up, throttle up, and then you want to make sure these things are neutral, like I said, and then you enter a code, which I'm not going to let you guys see, because this is a keyless Spartan RZ 724, I think, and it does not use the key, it uses the code. Okay, so I'm in, and you see that the light's green, and let's just say I brought this in, it would turn red. So if it's green, then you know you're good. So then I'm just gonna press start. It hasn't been started in about 6 weeks, 6 days, sorry. So let's start it. No, it needs some gas, sorry. Okay guys, I'm still getting new to this, so actually, I remember you have to put the parking brake in and then pull these things in, and then you can go. So let's retry this. little step right here that you step down. So this is a Spartan 48 inch. RZ 724cc. It has a 5-gallon gas tank, and the place we bought it from said that can last up to a month. And we are mowing about 2 acres, so they said it has some transmission, which I don't know about. It said like it has a really easy oil change, a really easy oil filter and all that to change. And then also if you just lift this little nice hatch up here, oops, you can get to all of the bolts. So all of those things. And then also this thing does have a 3-year warranty, and if this seat like ever gets old and worn, and then we can actually get an upgraded seat that has like air under it and you can sit there to whatever you want. The seat can go forward somehow, I don't know how. And then of course, like any other lawnmower, the seat can lift up, and there you got your batteries, everything you want. So there's that, and then like I said, this is the PTO, this is the choke. I mean, this is the PTO, this is the throttle, that's the choke, this is just cup holder. And then this is like the code and start button. And this thing you can actually put lights in, and if we ever got lights, they would go right there into that little hole. And then under here, we got 2 airless tires. And then we got these wheel things like any other mower has. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath. So that's what it looks like underneath. Alright, sorry. And you just got your stickers, kind of dusty. Everything is, the deck, you never have to put grease. So it's like non-grease. And then this is, excuse me, this, you push that down to take the weight off the deck, and then you unlock this right there and put the key wherever you would like it. And then this right here can stay up, and it can also fold down. Let me put it down for you guys. Really quick. I know you can't see me, but ooh, you don't want to get your fingers stuck into like I did. Okay, there we go. Now we got it all put down. And the camera was pointed down there so you can only see it. But this is just rubber. It's strong. And and it just says Spartan, the brand. So let's see how it will mow. First time ever mowing. How's that? How's that? How's that? And we have never ever owned a zero-tone in our life. This is the first time, and this is what it cuts it up to be like. A nice cut of fresh grass. It cuts really smoothly. Time lapse, here we go.
Here we go, Trev getting on the 40 for the first time. First time mowing, April 9th, 2000, and he killed it. Oh no, yes, good. There you go. Give her some gas. And he's off.
So guys, I have mowed the backyard, the front yard. Now I'm mowing. Now I'm mowing behind the barn, and I also mowed the driveway part of it. So I'm just gonna finish mowing this, and then I'm going to go set up gymnastics and ride my horse, and then come back and mow around our pastures. So let's get mowing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys. I cannot talk. Take 3. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're new here, make sure you hit this. My voice is not cooperating. Take 4. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And for our new zero tone that we got, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. For the first mow, and then it mowed really good. It tones really good. It stays straight. And see you guys in the next video. Peace. Guys, I can't even talk. Guys, I am so sorry for why my voice is going hoarse right now. I don't know why it is, but it shit is, and I'm so sorry for everything that you can't understand in this vlog because of my voice. Also, you guys probably don't care. Time to spring. Flowers are blooming. And also, guys, if you have a 4-H around you, never mind.